hundreds of people who had lined up to get identity cards in order to vote later this year. Hours later, another roadside bombing in a northern province killed 5 people. Last week, militants abducted 3 employees of the Voters Registration Service in a southern province, and 2 guards were shot and killed in the eastern part of the country. All these attacks are raising concerns about security in the lead-up to elections in October.
Look at this. This is a voting card which is now covered in blood. Who will come to vote when the government asks?
3 of my brothers and I were wounded in a blast after we had gathered to get our identity cards. The only thing we want from this government is a better situation and a peaceful country so we could study our lessons and live a better life.